So this is Itzel's bag, and we're going to see what's inside this nice beige bag. All right, so hi Itzel.
Hi.
So can you show us what's in your bag? Let's open it up.
My phone.
All right,
My phone.
yes, your
My
phone. Very important.
AirPod Pro.
She has the
Yeah. Ah, my card wallet.
She has her card wallet. Very cute, practical.
So many credit card.
Many credit. Oh, you rich? Be my sugar mommy. All right. So what's inside?
New iPad.
Yay! iPad. Yes. Very, very nice. I like iPads.
And
Oh,
battery.
so she has it too. She also has the battery charger, the external one.
And
Nice.
mask.
Yes, mask. We need masks.
Mist.
Mist. Is this good?
Yes.
Ooh. Can
So
I try
moisturized.
it? I just need. Ooh. Oh yeah, fresh.
And hand cream.
One thing I did notice that a lot of Koreans do carry hand creams a lot. So their hands are always soft. And I do like this one too. It's super rich avocado hand creams.
Big comb.
You carry this with you wherever you go? I like that.
Hair oil.
Hair oil. Hers is really long.
And 인공 눈물.
Oh, these are like eye drops for your eyes. That's actually good. I need one.
먹는 가글?
So this is like a mouth freshener, right? Is that what it is? Yeah, something like that. Like you put this. Actually, I have no idea. Oh, there's the infamous roller
Hair.
for your bangs.
And pouchy.
Yay! Now this is what I've been waiting for, the pouch. All right, so we have this character pouch. So you carry around 2 pouches?
Yes.
Okay. Which one should we look first? This one?
This one.
This one. Okay. So what is all this? What?
My
what-
hand
what-
mirror.
Okay. Oh, so you carry like your own mirror,
Yes.
sort of type. 이거 갖고 다니십니까? Okay. So in this bag, you have your brush and
Yes.
other things like that. Like, is there a specific reason?
So small.
Oh. So this is too small, so she has an extra one. Okay. So in here, she has waterproof mascara. No, not mascara.
No. Eyeliner.
Eyeliner. And then what is this?
Nose shading.
Oh, so you can choose like different colors, and she uses it for nose shading. That's cool. So she uses these,
And this.
and this. So she uses these two to contour her nose.
And then eyelash color.
Yes.
My favorite eyelash color. And
So these are your main makeup brushes
Yes.
that you like to use. Okay, so she has eyeshadow,
yes.
contour,
Contour and nose contour. And finish powder and blusher.
Oh, okay. So this all goes into this pretty flowery bag. Okay, so which one should we start first?
There.
Here?
Here.
Okay, so we're going here to there. So first, ba-ba.
My favorite foundation, Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation.
I wear this too. I have it in rattan, that color.
My color is Cool Vanilla.
Cool vanilla. Yeah.
And
Next,
here,
MAC.
MAC
MAC's
shader, medium dark, linear light.
Ooh, I actually use this too. We kind of have similar makeup here. I like this one too. It's a good natural bronze powder.
So dirty.
So dirty, yeah. Let me just blow on it. Awesome.
Next.
And of course,
Oh.
see, I told you, Koreans love this. I can't open it.
Makeup forever.
Makeup forever. Yes. So does this actually work? Does it help?
Yes.
Yeah.
So strong fix.
Oh, it's a strong fix. Right. Maybe I'll try them. I've always heard, I just never really tried it.
And
Next,
blusher.
blush. Clinique.
Korean best blusher.
Oh, this one?
Yes.
Oh, what color is it?
Clinique Solid Perfume.
Sorbet Pop.
What?
It's very different.
Yes.
Sorbet. Sorbet.
And
Ooh.
so pinky orange.
Yeah, it's like coral too, right?
Yes.
So you and Amy, you guys have similar like eyeshadow preferences.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. It's pretty.
And
Oh.
Givenchy
Givenchy.
is gold glitter eyeshadow.
Oh, do you use this often?
No.
No.
Special day.
Special day.
Only special day.
Only like on a date.
Yes.
Ooh, it's super pigmented.
So gold and battery.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow. It's definitely full glam.
And Korean loves glitter.
Stilla, yes.
Okay.
Even in like outside of Korea, this is still like a #1 glitter.
And color is Kitten Karma.
Kitten Karma. Love it,
Ooh.
like it.
Wow.
Wow.
I like this.
So do you use this more
Yes.
often than this one?
Yes. Daily and
Special.
special.
Mm.
This is
Alright.
for you.
For me? Wait, all of a sudden? See guys, this is why I like doing this. They give me things. So just put it right here. Thank you.
And next, eyeshadow
Fenty Beauty.
palette.
So you know Rihanna, right?
Yes.
What's your favorite Rihanna song?
I don't
You don't know?
name.
Oh. Bored up, bored up. That's my favorite Rihanna.
This palette's name is number 5 peach.
Number 5 peach. So do you use all the colors? Main color.
Main color is under 3 color.
So these 3.
And one day point this glitter.
Mm-hmm.
Other day point color this
Oh.
color.
So you switch up.
Yes.
That's nice.
I love this color.
Ooh, I've never used Fenty eyeshadow, so
So different color. I love peach color.
I like the fruit peach.
And next, my daily favorite eyeshadow palette.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so it's like a natural contour for your eyes.
Yes. So I usually use this brown color,
Mm-hmm.
and base is this
Mm.
pinky beige.
Oh, so you use these two.
Yes.
You've hit the pan. Yeah, hit the pan.
And depth color is gray or black.
So base,
Base.
main, and then to add depth.
Yes.
That's nice. And last we have lips, right?
I have 2 lipstick.
Mm-hmm.
First, Estee Lauder lipstick.
Ooh. Whoa, it's very bold.
This name is 310.
Oh, bar red. Wow. You use this every day?
No. This color is very cool red.
Yow.
Next, MAC lipstick.
Mm-hmm.
This name is Powder Kiss lipstick Mandarino.
Mm-hmm. That's also very bold.
Whoa.
Wow, we have very different
I love peach and pink
lip taste.
and red.
So you like bold lips.
Yes.
And you look good in it too, actually.
Thank you.
And is that it?
Yes.
And that's it. Well, we're done. Woo! Well, that was really fun. Thank you, Amy and Itzel, for letting us snoop around and telling us your must-have items. Comment down below what other videos you want to see from us. And that is it for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!